In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Templar FX to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard is, of course, create an account to use with MT4. So go to My Accounts on the left and click on Accounts. And here I'm going to showcase this with a demo account, but of course, if you want to use a live account, you can perfectly do that as well. I'm going to click on the account type here. I'm going to do a demo one, and then you can select the deposit amount, press on create new account, and your demo account is going to be created. Of course, for the real account, you will also be able to do that as well. So whenever you create your account, onto your email, you'll receive your credentials to sign in to MT4. So it's going to be server, login, and password. And the way you then can connect that to MT4 is you can go to downloads here on the left, click on platforms, and here it says MT4, so just get the MT4 for your system. I have Windows, so I'm going to click over here, and then you want to open up this thing that just downloaded onto your computer, and you will have to install it really quickly by just clicking this next button, and this will start installing your MT4 edition of Templar FX. So this usually takes like 10 to 15 seconds, and when it's done, there's going to be a finish button down here at the bottom right. Meanwhile, just prepare the credentials. There we go, press finish. And when you do this here, it's going to open up MT4 on your computer. So the Templar FX version, there we go. And then it's going to start scanning a few things. Just wait this out until it comes to the very far end. And whenever that's done, press the X button. And here is where you have to put in your login, password, and server. So my login inside my email is this number over here. For you, it's going to be a different number. My password is also in here. I'm going to paste it. And then here you will also have to select your server. So for me, it's this USD one. I'm going to click on it, save the account info. You can do that if you want to, but it's not necessary. And then click on login. And just like that, in a few seconds, you'll see I'll be connected. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.